If I told you that hundreds of students clear the FMGE exam every year just by mastering one thing, would you believe it? That one thing is PYQs, previous year question papers. Hi future doctors, with just 12 days left for FMGE 2025, this is the most critical phase of your preparation. And in today's video, we'll guide you through the most powerful strategy to maximize your score in the minimum time. In this video, we'll break down why PYQs are so important, what years to focus on, how to integrate PYQs with your notes, common mistakes to avoid, and how to use them to boost your confidence and accuracy on the exam day. So let's dive in. Let's be real, FMGE isn't a completely new paper every time. It's a pattern-based exam where the same concept, themes, and even exact repeats appear year after year. In some subjects like PSM, microbiology, and pharmacology, you'll find direct repeats from the past 5 to 6 years. So PYQs are not just for testing, they tell you what topics the NMC repeats, they show you which concepts are exam worthy, and they train your brain for the exact format of the exam. In short, PYQs are both map and the compass. First, let us address the big question, which PYQs should you solve? Here's your answer. Focus on the last 5 years. This means from 2019 to 2024. Cover both June and December sessions because patterns repeat across both. But if the time is tight, give top priority to June and December 2022, June and December 2023, and most importantly, June 2024. These are the closest to current pattern and reflect the latest focus areas of the NMC. Now let's go to the core. How should you actually solve PYQs? Here's a 3-step method that works. First, solve subject-wise. Pick one subject, let's say pharmacology. Solve all PYQs from 2019 to 2024 in that subject. This shows you which topics are exam favorite. Second, link each PYQ to your notes. If you solve a question on anti-TB drugs, go to your notes and revise that topic fully. This turns MCQ solving into active concept revision, not passive guessing. Third, create a high-yield PYQ booklet. Every time you find a repeated or very conceptual PYQ, mark it. Either take a screenshot or write it down in a notebook. This will become your final day revision weapon, the most high-yield content in one place. Now let's talk about how you can fit this into your day for the next 7 days. Here's a simple structure. Morning, revise one major subject. Afternoon, solve 100 plus PYQs from that subject. Evening, revise one short subject like psychiatry or radiology. Night, review mistakes from that day's PYQs. Keep your PYQ session time bound. Solve for 90 minutes daily with full focus. Now what should you do in the final 4 to 5 days? Here's the game plan. Focus on PYQ heavy subjects, PSM, microbiology, pharmacology, FMT, pathology, and physiology. Also attempt at least 2 grand tests during this phase. After each test, mark the questions that were based on the PYQs or repeat patterns. PYQs are powerful, but only if used correctly. Here are 3 big mistakes to avoid. Just reading options without solving. Don't skim through. Attempt the questions first. Activate your recall. Ignoring explanations. Even if you get the answer right, read the explanation. You'll understand why the other options were wrong, and that's where the learning comes from. Not reviewing your wrong answers. You only learn from your mistakes if you revisit them. Add them to your error notebook of your PYQ booklet. So what's the big idea? In the final 12 days, you're not racing to study everything. You're playing it smart by focusing on what's likely to come. PYQs help you predict the paper pattern, prioritize important areas, improve MCQ solving skills, reduce silly mistakes, and most importantly, build exam day confidence. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it and found it informative, and if you did, please press that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such content ahead. If you have any doubts regarding the FMGE 2025 exam, please list them on the comments below. We'll be very happy to answer. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.